Alright, so I started step one of preparing the van for the equipment rack I'm about to build. I removed the floor trim piece there. I've also removed the third row fold down seats. That gives me access to this storage tub area. That's also going to give me access to these bolt holes so I can securely fasten it to the chassis. So now I can measure it out, figure out the layout I'm going to use, and I'm going to get to building. Alright, so after some measuring and some cutting, this is what we have. The water tank is going to sit on that reinforced part back there. This part right here, I'm going to leave open. This is going to have a removable panel so I can access underneath. I'm going to have one reel that'll be hanging underneath there. I'll have another reel over here that'll be hanging underneath. I'll have plenty of room to wind them up. I'll have some slots right here for the hoses to come through. So I'm going to finish this up and we'll go from there. All right, I got the frame all in and together. I had to change the design a little bit because I didn't realize those seats were pushed all the way forward. So I had to pull those back and kind of reframe it a little bit here. It's the same dimensions, just more ribs. And then here's all done. And I'm going to work on making the brackets for the bolt holes here. And yes, I know some of you have probably seen that. I'm going to take care of it. Don't worry about it. All right, so I got these brackets done. I used recycled some old construction heavy-duty brackets, just used the angle grinder, cut them all up. I used two. So you can see one braces here, and then the other one is the other bolt here, which is an L bracket that comes up. Same thing on these. Everything's all secure. It was fun unscrewing and screwing those about 25 times while I was doing it. And then I got a brilliant idea for here. There's these hooks here that the third row seat would attach to. What I plan to do is use these eyelets, put one here, and then I'll put a bolt through them, and that will secure this to the frame of the car. Well, I don't know about secure, but it'll hold it. And that's where we're at now. Ow! That was my shin on the bumper. Grr. All right, so I got my plywood all cut to my frame. I got my little trap door here for my access down underneath. Now I'm going to lay everything out and get ready to drill the holes for the tie downs and all that other stuff. Let me know what you guys think down there in the comments. And if you got some ideas on how you would have done this differently, definitely let me know. I'm here to learn as well. So that's going to do it. Thank you for watching. I'm out of here. See ya.